and big lines all around the church. For a couple of years, the last 3 years, more.
Online tickets up half past.
Stop, and then we'll descend the time.
Frank, Margaret Frank. Okay, so we've just come out of the Anne Frank Museum. We went in at 8 minutes past 2. It is now 2:44, and he's been in the shop for 5 minutes buying a book, so I would say we was in there half an hour. And I haven't asked Pete yet. Pete, what was it like? It was shit. It was shit, honestly. It was crap. We love stuff like that usually, don't we?
Yeah, but it is
well, that was just
rooms.
shit. It was just empty room with a
Pictures on photos.
yeah, with a little picture of a wall saying this. No, that
if
wasn't
you
very
like
good.
into kind of things, you may like it, but I prefer see things, you know,
Yeah.
than just, you know.
Yeah, no, I didn't like that. €9, but and it's 50 minutes before it opens to the public, like without a ticket, and that's a queue. So if you are coming without a ticket, I'd get here about 20 past 2.
Tell you what, if you like history about Jews, you prefer skip that and just go straight to Auschwitz.
Yeah, yeah, no, it's not very good. I didn't like it at all. Anyway, that's our review on Anne Frank's museum. And also, you weren't allowed to film in there. I got a little bits on my iPhone, which will be in before this, if they come out all right.
Already sailed close to the ring. After 1900, property went out of vogue. People wanted to know everything, talk about everything, and especially do everything again. More and more, the emphasis was laid on